So I'm showing you all something here that you might be familiar with if you are a Mini enthusiast. This is a little R56. I think it's a 187 scale car and has the Union Jack roof. It's chili red, chrome trim, nice little details all over. But this is hiding a rather unique feature. This is a flash drive, or a USB drive, whatever you want to call it. And I don't remember where I got it. I want to say a friend might have given it to me, but I could have also gotten it from a Mini dealership. And I don't necessarily even know how much storage it has either. But had this for a while, and kind of a neat little toy, if you will. I mean, it rolls around. I mean, it has spinning wheels. The detail on it is really good. I mean, look at the bonnet area. It even has a bonnet scoop. The grill is pretty accurate. The headlights even work. When you plug this into a computer, the headlights actually light up. So that's kind of cool. It even has a hatch area. The hatch looks like it can actually come off almost, but there you have it. And then it has this flash drive on the back that locks in place. You push a button, you can slide it back in. But, I mean, it even has the tailpipe detail back there. The rear bumper's accurate. The details on this are really, really good. And if you compare it to my Matchbox Countryman that I did recently where the details weren't quite accurate, this is a pretty good copy of the actual car, and it's a complete functioning flash drive. So that is really cool. The details are just really, really good with this. The company that made it is Welly, and I guess they make flash drives for Mini Coopers, or flash drives of Mini Coopers, or maybe even other cars. Just a neat little... I've had it on my shelf as a display piece because I really don't have any need for such a small flash drive. I want to say this is probably like 4 gigabytes or something. But the detail is just really, really good, and I've had this thing for a long time. So pretty neat little car, and one I haven't minded having on my shelf, even though I never use it for what it was intended for. But just a neat little car to display.